Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I'm Tiana LaShawn and I'm going to show you how to put whatever picture you want on any shirt you want. So today you're going to be using things that you have around your house already. You probably don't need to spend any money, but you're going to need an iron, print out a picture of whoever you're going to use, parchment paper, a pair of scissors, saran wrap, and you're going to pick a tank top or shirt of your choice. So what you want to do now is you want to go around the picture and cut off the border or minimize it by cutting off any excess picture that you're not going to use. So if it's too big for your space, you want to cut it down a little bit. Once you are done cutting out the picture that you are going to place on the t-shirts, you are going to go ahead and get your saran wrap. For video purposes, I had mine already cut out. What you're going to do next is you're going to place the picture face down and you're going to wrap the saran wrap around the picture. Doesn't have to be super straight, but not too wrinkly either. You have to excuse my cameraman. He is a perfectionist. Okay, so once you have wrapped the saran wrap around the picture, this is how it should look. If you can get it smoother than this. Then you're going to take your parchment paper and you're going to cut it out. For video purposes, I did cut it out already. After that, you're going to take the picture that you wrapped in saran wrap. You're going to place it on the shirt that you want to use it on. And you can place it anywhere you want. Since this is a tank top, you want to place it a little lower. After that, then you are going to take the parchment paper that you just cut out and you're going to place it on top so that the plastic does not stick to your iron. You're going to go over it with the iron on its highest setting for about 5 minutes. At this point, you should be able to peel the paper up. After you peel the paper up, the picture should be now sticking to the shirt. And there you have it.